Friends, we've come today at the invitation of Clayton and Lizzie to share in the joy of their wedding. Today marks a beginning, not an end. The wedding isn't the end goal, but the start of a new journey together.
Am I living in a dream come true? Arms around you dancing. Yeah, the world's a burning room. I don't see it when all I see is you. I wanna hold you when it all comes down. Wanna be with you when the lights go out. I wanna spend forever by your side. I wanna love you till the end of time.
All my troubles wash away when I feel you breathing.
Everything in its right place. I will gladly give you all my days. Even when the darkness falls around us and our bodies both let go, I just wanna wrap my love around your heart and soul.
I wanna hold you when it all comes down.
Wanna be with you when the lights go out. I wanna spend forever by your side. I wanna